Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook fried pork belly marinated in garlic and vinegar. We will need 500 grams pork belly, 1/3 cup of vinegar, 10 cloves garlic, half a tablespoon pepper, and half a tablespoon salt. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Make sure the pork is fully submerged in the marinade. Cover and marinate the pork overnight. The vinegar will help to tenderize the pork. After marinating overnight, it will look like this. Let's head to the kitchen to fry this. Put the oil in the pan and once ready, fry the pork belly in medium heat. Fry each side for 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. Here's our fried pork belly marinated in garlic and vinegar. This tangy and crispy pork belly recipe is easy to prepare and a must to try. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!